Hello guys, so in this video we are going to talk about Paythen. So if you don't know what Paythen is, then let me share a small intro. So Paythen is a service which provide a flexible payment option to your site. So let's say you have a online shopping site, and if you are selling product, then you can offer your customer to pay the price based on their convenience. For example, um, if your product price is 500, so you can offer them $50 per week price. So that is what Paythen does. But yeah, in this video we are not going to check how Paythen works, but we are going to create a template. And what template does, the template is nothing but a Paythen offer page where you can display your offers to your customer. So let's jump into the creating templates. So I'm going to log into my site. I'm going to log into my Paythen account. So once you log in, you have to connect your payment gateway with this Paythen. So yeah, if you have a Stripe account, please connect it with your Stripe account. As I am just demonstrating this, so I will connect in the test mode. So I will click on this, and let's quickly create account. Okay, I already have an account, so let's log in. So now I'm logged into the account. Now first of all, we are going to create a template for a WooCommerce site for WordPress. So for that, whenever you log into the account, go to settings first, and then go to integrations and enable the WooCommerce. Once you enable this, page will be refreshed, and then you will get a template section over here. So now let's go to templates, and let's create a new template. And here we can create our own template by filling up all the details, like for example, give the template name. So I will give 5 weeks plan, select the currency, add the description. So basically creating template is nothing but just filling up the form based on your requirements. So add a payment plan supercharge, so I will say no. Charge one time upfront free, so I will say no. Billing interval weekly. Number of payments, let's say 5. Start after how many days, so I'm not gonna add anything. Let customer cancel their payment, yes. Show payment plan term, yes. And then add your term and conditions in this text box, and then offer an early pay discount, yes, and I would say 10%. Confirmation page, if you want to redirect to some particular page after payment, then you can add that link over here. And then we can add custom fields as well. So let's add a new custom field, custom field 1, and then let's add description. and that's it. If you want to add another custom field, just add it. And let me confirm everything. And yeah, I have created this template. Some field requires, so what went wrong? So this has already been taken. Yeah, already tried something like that. So I will change the name. Let's create a template. Again, I'm not sure why that is happening. I guess let's add another label called, let's say, description. So your template is ready, and after creating the template, it will give us a link. So let's copy this link over here, and then let's try to paste it. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, okay, yeah. So then we have to provide some argument to the URL. So let's copy this URL, and it is displaying two missing params. One is plan name. So that plan name. So what is our plan name? Let's say test plan, and price equal to 1000. So as you can see, this is how you can pass a couple of arguments to the template, and you will get this kind of payment form for your client. So this URL you can then provide to your client anywhere you want. And yeah, this is the one way. And if you don't want to struggle with adding this plan and all you can do is just click on the plus icon. So let's try this one, highly effective. So let's try to click on this, and we will create our own template. So you can add your product or service name. So I'm gonna add my bet, and the price will be 1000. And if you have a nickname or something, you can add it over here. So I'm not gonna add any optional field over here. You can select the currency, then you can add the description over here. So I'm gonna add this description, confirmation page to redirect. It's optional, but if you want to redirect your client to specific page, then you can add your own link over here. Now the option one is if customer chooses to pay the full amount upfront. So for that you can add details like this. So let's say pay today 10% off. Yeah, if you want to provide discount, then select yes. I'm not gonna select yes. Then this is again provide some description for that specific option one. Now option 2 is if customer choose to pay via payment plan. So let's add weekly plan. Add the description for your weekly plan. And add payment plan supercharge. So this amount is added to the total payment plan amount and spread out over the duration of the plan. So I'm gonna select no for this. Billing interval, let's say weekly, because yeah, I gave the name weekly plan. And number of payments split over, so let's say we want to split into 10 weeks. Start payment after, let's say, 5 days. If you have any preference, you can add your own, otherwise don't add anything. I'll just keep 5 days. Let customer cancel their payment, so I would say yes. Show payment plan terms, yes. And you can add your term over here. Often an early pay discount, so I'm not gonna set this. And we can add custom fields as well, based on your requirement, but I'm not gonna add. Let's add new custom field. So let's add custom field 1. Description for custom field. And placeholder I'm not gonna add. And now let's create the template. So as you can see, your template is ready and it is going to look like this. So once your template is done, you will get the link for your template. So when you and you can use this link anywhere on your site, or you can directly provide link to your customer or share with any social media. So once you're done, click on the preview, then you will be able to see your Paythen template over here. As you can see, we have provided 2 options: pay full amount now and pay via payment plan. So in the weekly plan, we decided 10 weeks plan, so it will charge 100 rupees per week, and you can have full amount payment as well over here. And here we can add, so this is our custom field we added in our last step, and here is the payment details we need to fill in over here. So yeah, this is how you can create your own templates. If you want to create new one, then first of all, let's keep this link open somewhere. Now if you want to create a new one, then just simply click on this plus button, and then you can start creating your own template. Here you can see some test cards as well, where you can use this test card number during testing of this payment. And yeah, I mean, that's it. This is how you can create your own Paythen template. And Yeah, this is the video, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev.